Reggisize is a dance aerobic program to the reggae music. It's a marriage of reggae music and the exercise program. It's a dance program. The approach is very unique. It's Caribbean, it's Rasta, it's spiritual, and it's love. It's unique. Reggisize was officially created in 1992 in Brooklyn, New York. You know, Tart and Flatbush Avenue, that here, and then rebirth to commemorate Jamaica 50th anniversary. That's the relaunch of the Reggisize officially. Ever since I visited North America and even living in Jamaica, we have never had a program to work out with our music. It's always the American music, then there's Zumba, another program. And as Rasta, we need something to work out too. And not that we can't dance the hip hop or do the Zumba, but as Rasta, I feel we need to do our program. As Jamaican, we should have something too. And that's why I think we have need for Reggisize, because we are reggae, we are Rasta, we are Jamaican. We are large enough to have something to share to the world and for ourselves. David Smith. I am the second youngest child of my mother, and I love fitness. I see my brother doing fitness program. I follow him. I am a Rasta man. I'm a Christian at first. You know, mother sent me to church. At about age 17, I conformed to this religion, to this movement. I love fitness. I love healthy food. I love to see people living a healthier, good life. I want to have that. I am a Jamaican born. And then at age 14, I find myself doing Aikido, which is throws and fall, Savati. I have a black belt in Kyakusha Kaikan. I have a brown belt in Aikido. I've defended myself maybe about 4 times now, doing martial arts, and I always succeed. Dancing was all my life. I've been in a dance group, and I can say LTD, the time, the #1 dance group in Jamaica. Been into theater. My role in theater is always a physical part. If somebody gonna jump through a window, fly off the stage, flip, that's me. I have a rhythm. I know the flow. I have a fitness certification. And tell me that I am legal enough to teach exercise program all over the world. I have been a Rastafarian from the age of 17-year-old. I watch a brethren, you know, who is very educated, and I watch how this man suffer. All he have to do is cut off his hair and he would get the best job in the world. I watched that. I was very influenced by our man suffer for his belief. And it made me want to be that person. It have to be something special in this religion, why a man would rather suffer through society, you know, and that became a great influence on my life. And I started to ask questions. I started to sit at the Nyabingi meeting. I was my Nyabingi. You know, when I first started Reggisize and doing it, I never even, you know, think of children or anybody especially. But I noticed, you know, youths are naturally fit. I more geared towards teenager and middle-aged and older people. So it's a program the young one can do it. I find myself going to kindergarten and teaching little children to do Reggisize. But Reggisize, like most programs, is for everybody. The uniqueness I know is just exercising to reggae, which many people have told me that it couldn't work because check, check, they can't see how that will give you a workout. They think boom, 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 boom. No, but you have to do the program and then you will, you know what? It's a uniqueness that you don't talk about. You have to experience it. You just have to live it like, Nike, do it. And that's what I said in every program. David, what is Reggisize? I said, you just have to do the program. Like, it's hard to explain. You just have to do it. There's reggae, the music. We're gonna dance, we're gonna sweat. You love how we dance, you love reggae dancing. And again, another point, I should have quoted one of my sisters when she's teaching Reggisize class. She said, your requirement is you just have to love reggae. She said, everybody inside you love reggae? And they all put up the hand, they say, yes, this is the program for you. And that's it.